Hey guys, we are going to be playing Arsenal and we're going to be seeing how many levels we can get in 10 minutes. Let's get right into this. Okay, I just died. Okay, let's, oh, 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 let's go, I just killed somebody. Oh, I died.
Hello, guys. This is Matt. Still talking. Your middle name's not William. Brett. I'm Brett.
Okay.
Say some stuff.
Let's go, I just killed somebody. Alright. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa.
Brett, are you unmuted?
Oh. Oh, whoa, wow. This is crazy. Oh, my teammate just killed that person. Oh, I died. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, somebody's behind me. Oh, I died. Oh, my friend killed me. Red team won.
Yes, I won.
That was a nice game. Oh, yay, my team won. Let's go. I got 2 kills.
Unmute and say some stuff, because this is just... Oh, are you... Is this video?
Okay, we're going to be playing another round. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be so fun. I'm on team blue. Here we go. Oh, there's my friend right there. He's in front of me. Oh, oh, I see my friend. Oh, I died. But I died by the guy who won last game. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I see somebody. Oh, oh, my friend killed me. Oh, there's my friend. He's on my team. Oh, he's in the water swimming. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, whoa. Oh, my teammate stole a kill from me. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I died. One of my teammates is like stuck in the water, waiting for a kill. Oh, there's so many people. I died. Oh, it's so glitchy. Ooh, I died. Here we go. Respawned. Let's get into this, boys. Oh, I killed somebody. Oh, they killed me.
Josh, you just killed me.
Oh. 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 I only have like 1 kill. I'm going with my teammate. Oh. Let's go. My guy. Oh, I died by BS crappy. Oh. I'm hitting somebody. Oh. I almost killed somebody. Yes, I killed somebody. Let's go. Oh, oh, no.
How's our team again?
The other team won. Let's play again. That was really fun.
Brett, can other people take turns with that? Not just
Let's do the safe house. Let's do laser tag. Let's do free for all. Okay. It's gonna be laser tag. It's gonna be free. Two teams. Okay. I thought it was gonna. I'm gonna be on the blue team.
I'm on blue with you, Brett.
Oh, there's my friends right there. I love mermaid. She's right there. And then the best bro is up here. My other friend. Oh, there's so much shooting. Whoa, whoa.
Brett, say they're on the YouTube video too.
This is so fun. Oh. We're spawn camping. Oh, I see somebody. Oh, somebody killed me. I have one elim. Let's get some more elims. Oh, I see somebody. Yes! 2 elims. Here we go. Let's get a third elim. Oh, whoa. Whoa, I'm zooming. I haven't died yet. That's pretty impressive. Ooh. Oh, I died. Oh, yeah, I died. Guys, this is so crazy. Holy. Let's go. No. Oh, I died. I only have one elim. This is so hard. But let's keep trying.
Yeah, maybe we can do some YouTube videos stuff.
Very good shooting. Oh, nice kill. Oh. Oh, somebody came out of nowhere and killed me.
Yeah, that was me and my buddy little Jackson.
Oh, there's my friend right there. She's on level 100. I'm just kidding. She's not on level 100. Okay.
No, say she.
I wonder what level we're on. This is crazy.
Brett, say she just started today.
My friend just started today and she's really good. Oh, whoa. Oh, yes! Yes, I got an elim. Let's go. 2 elims. Oh, my friend is literally rocking. He has 26 elims and he's on my team. This is crazy. Yes. There we go.
Oh, I can shoot.
There he is. Oh. Oh. Whoa, there's so much shooting. Oh! Down there. Yes! Another Elam. Whoa. What? My friend was in fourth. That was crazy. Whew. Oh,
Say my other friend was in sixth place. Say my other friend was in sixth place. Stop recording. It's already been 11 minutes.
Okay. Are we gonna do another game or no? Let's see.
I think we should wrap it up.
Hey guys, I think we should wrap it up for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Peace out.